So here is my Arduino Sonar project, and it basically picks up signals using the ultrasonic sensor and displays them back on my computer as a submarine sonar radar would. And one of the key components in this is the servo, the swivel motion that moves the sensor back and forth, and we can see the code here and the actual displays we see, and we can see how there's the angle of the servo and the distance of which the object is. And we can tell using the radian lines, 10 centimeters, 20 centimeters, 30 centimeters, and 40 centimeters. So if we move this one farther away, it would pick up farther away. And then we can move this one here as well. And so what we can do is if we move this here and wait for the sonar to pick it up, and we can see it pick up, and also real time does distance. It's just another cool project. It is very similar to the motion alarm, but it's a lot cool.